Welcome to Maserocrats. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to simply find an air leak on your tire and how to plug the tire to get rid of the leak.
Yes, this is useful for any car owner. We've all been there. We've all had that flat tire or the slow leak, like in our case, which triggered the tire light every couple days on the dash, which was very annoying.
And you don't have to take the car to a shop to repair this. You'll see after this video that it's super simple, super cheap to do, and pretty much you need no tools. So if you want to see how we did it,
make sure to stick around.
this is the tire that kept leaking air. So we're gonna take a flashlight and take a quick look to see if we can find anything that has punctured the wheel. And just like we expected, there is a piece of metal that has gone through the rubber.
So with a pair of pliers, I am going to remove this little piece of metal from the tire. And then afterwards, we're gonna check and make sure if it's really leaking air from that hole. A good way to see if we have found our leak is to use water and dish soap. If there is a leak there, it should be bubbling up quite a lot. And you can see that it's not really bubbling at all, so I don't think this is where we're leaking from.
After we kept searching a little bit for our potential leak, we found this nail. Let's remove it and see if we found our leak.
And this is exactly what I was referring to. See all of the bubbling that's happening around that nail? Yeah, this is our leak.
Since this nail is in there pretty good, instead of using regular pliers, we're gonna be using wire cutters. We're gonna try to cut the head of the nail and pull it straight out. And now we can say we found our problem. We got this kit from Walmart for about $5 and it comes with 5 or 6 plugs, so it's a pretty good deal.
Now we're going to use this reaming tool to enlarge in the hole. If you don't have one of these tools, a screwdriver should work just fine.
The next step will be to take one of the plugs and thread it through the needle that came with the kit. We are going to pull from the plug until the plug is placed center in the needle.
With firm pressure down and a screwing motion, we are going to insert this plug into the tire. This needs to be inserted until there's about a 1/4 inch left on both sides of the plug.
With a quick and sharp motion, we are going to pull the needle out of the tire. Now our tire is plugged. The last thing to do, or one of the last things to do, is to cut the leftover plug that was sticking out of the tire with a box cutter or a razor blade.
It's very important to make sure that we actually fixed the problem, and so we're using our water and our soap again, and it doesn't really look like there's any bubbling going on, so it's fixed.
Now we're going to put air in the tire, and once again we are going to make sure that it's not leaking anymore, so we're gonna be using the soapy water one more time.
Now that's a leak-free tire. All that's left is to mount it to the car and we're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video.
And I hope you guys feel now confident enough to do this repair at home and save yourself some money.
And if you like the video, hit the like button down below, leave us all of your comments, but most importantly, subscribe because we're going to be putting out many videos very soon.
Bye.
Bye.